The day could be today that your career is over. Now what do you do? I said, I better get to work. Rest at the end, not in the middle. And that's something I always live by. I'm not gonna rest, I'm gonna keep on pushing now. There are a lot of answers that I don't have, even questions that I don't have. But I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna keep going, and I'll figure these things out as you go, right? And you just continue to build that way. So I try to live by that all the time.
Have a dream, sacrifice for it, and never ever rest in the middle.
And I came into the NBA, I was like, man, these dudes really don't work that hard. One of the things I would do is, while everybody would be at the cafeteria work, eating and doing all sort of stuff, I just go back to the job. I just go back to the job. How can I show you that, no, I have the edge? Well, you do it through training, right? So when I get up in the morning, my daughter goes with me.
4 a.m.?
4 a.m. My 15-year-old goes with me. She goes with me before school, and it becomes a daddy-daughter thing.
That's cool.
Through that process, she understands the value of hard work. And so it's through those behaviors is where I find the motivation to move it. I think the definition of greatness is to inspire the people next to you. I think that's what greatness is or should be. It's not something that lives and dies with one person. It's how can you inspire a person to then in turn inspire another person, that then inspires another person. And that's how you create something that I think lasts forever. It's not sit around and it's all happy-go-lucky type of thing. If you're a leader, your job is to get the best out of it. You gotta deal with it, face it, learn from it. It's exciting when you win, it's exciting when you lose, because the process should be exactly the same. But the hardest thing is to face that stuff. But what if today is the day that's it, now what do you do?
What can I say? Mamba out.
My parents were great. Growing up, they instilled in me the importance of imagination, of curiosity, and understanding that, okay, if you want to accomplish something, I'm not just going to sit here and say, yes, you can do whatever you want. Yes, you can, but you have to also put in the work to get there, right? So they taught me that at a really early age, man. And when you grow up as a kid thinking that the world is your oyster, all things are possible if you put in the work to do it, you grow up having that fundamental belief.
Who was more influential for you, your father or mother?
Both were influential at different points.
Yeah.
Right. My mom was there on a daily basis. My father was really influential at a really critical time where I had a summer where I played basketball when I was like 10 or 11 years old. And here I come playing and I don't score 1 point the entire summer. Not one.
You didn't score once?
Not one.
Were you in the game?
I was in the game.
How'd you not score?
Because I was terrible. Not a free throw, nothing. Not a lucky shot, not a breakaway layup, 0 points. And I remember crying about it and being upset about it. My father just gave me a hug and said, listen, whether you score 0 or score 60, I'm gonna love you no matter what.
Wow.
Now that is the most important thing that you can say to a child. Because from there, I was like, okay, that gives me all the confidence in the world to fail. I have the security there. But to hell with that, I'm scoring 60. Let's go.
Right.
And from there, I just went to work. I stayed with it, and I kept practicing.
Incoming
That's
mail.
when the idea of understanding a long-term view became important. Because I wasn't going to catch these kids in a week. I wasn't going to catch them in a year, right? So that's when I sat down and said, okay, this is going to take some thought, right? What do I want to work on first? All right, shooting. All right, let's knock this out. Let's focus on this. Half a year, 6 months, do nothing but shoot. Right, after that, all right, creating your own shot. And you focus. So I started creating a menu of things. When I came back the next summer, I was a little bit better. And then 14 came around, back half of 13, 14 years old, and then I was just killing everyone. And it happened in 2 years, and I wasn't expecting it to happen in 2 years, but it did, because what I had to do was work on the basics and the fundamentals. While they relied on their athleticism and their natural ability. And because I stick to the fundamentals, it just caught up to me. And then my body, my knees stopped hurting, I grew into my frame.
then your athleticism. Once you have the fundamentals,
Exactly.
the hard work, the mindset, and you tack on the athleticism, it's game over.
Then it was,
Wow.
the love of the game, the challenge. Like I would watch Magic play, I'd watch Michael play, and I would see them do these unbelievable things, and I'd say, you know, can I get to that level? I don't know, but let's find out. Let's find out. And so that curiosity to see where I could push this thing led me down that path, I think.
With the 13th pick in the 1996 NBA Draft, the Charlotte Hornets select Kobe Bryant from Lower Merion High School in Pennsylvania.
Greatness lies ahead for this young man.
Well, I learned that you have to work hard and you have to approach the game with a serious mindset.
There was a stretch in 03 where Shaq was out with an injury. And Phil called me up to his office and said, okay, we need you to really turn on the afterburners and start scoring the ball if we have to win. So I did, and I wound up scoring, I think it was 9 straight games for 40 plus points.
9 straight.
9 straight games. And then Shaq comes back, his second to last game of that. And then Phil calls me up to his office and says, Cole, okay, I need you to dial it back. I'm like, why? Like, we're winning. I don't understand. It's because our goal is to win a championship. But if you continue to do this, we'll lose Shaq. We'll lose him.
His motivation, his excitement.
What triggers him, right? So I need you to pull back so we can pull Shaq forward for June. Wow. I mean, that was the big challenge, is you move from, being the single dominant player to understanding, okay, I have to help these other guys.
How do I lift everyone else up?
It's tough. It's more like you put yourself to the side, and you put yourself in their shoes and understand what they're feeling. And then you have to make certain decisions of, okay, what buttons do I need to push for this player to get them to the next level? So it's not sit around and it's all happy-go-lucky type of thing. The leader, your job is to get the best out of it, even if they may not like it at that time.
He was very demanding because he expected everyone to put in the same effort as he was, and that was unrealistic.
You're not behind me, you're not in front of me, you're right there parallel with me.
Practice was very competitive right away. You know how Kobe is. We was jawing, we had it going sometimes. He didn't let me slip a lot. Times where I get ejected or about to get a technical foul or going off the deep end, he would be there to, set me straight a lot, which helped me out a lot.
So we get in the timeout, and he's like, hey,
Chad,
I'm
Friday,
open.
baby.
Like, okay. And so we go out, and same thing.
That Mamba mindset.
I'm open. Okay. There you go. Come back in. Hey, dude, you got to throw me the ball. I said, man, fuck that. Get it off the rebound if I miss, bro. Listen, I don't deal with people that don't commit at that level, but then act as if they do. The running joke, or he doesn't pass and all this other crap. I mean, that's okay, but I'll take those 5 rings. I'll take 5.
Chad, good morning. Keeks, good morning, my brother.
Morning, brother.
How are you feeling today, Friday?
I'm good, end of the week, energy is actually quite high still, so feeling good for today, and you?
Yeah, I know, feeling good, man. You should obviously be feeling good. You had a smashing week. Quick little phase 1 in and out.
Yeah,
little
no
in and
complaints.
out burger. Chad, how's everyone doing Friday? Hope you guys are ready for the Friday. Hope you guys had a decent week as well. Dr. Trade Milani, just an audio check. Mic check. 1 2 1 2. How's the audio? Keegs 1 2 1 2, my brother
Yeah,
there.
a little testing 1 2 1 2.
How's Keegan? Audio good. All right, Chad. Good morning. As always, before we chase a dollar, before we try and enrich ourselves, we're just going to start off the day on the right way here with the Father's Prayer, so that everything we do today will be blessed. And as we put our hands to the plow, that we will reap the benefits and the rewards of hard work. You just heard it there from one of the greats, Kobe Bryant. You don't rest in the middle, you rest at the end, you get the job done. So with that being said, let's get it going here. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory. Amen. Amen. Do you have an amen on that? Beautiful, loud and clear. All right, Chad, Friday, and we already had some GBP retail sales coming out a little bit better than expected. Gigs, I don't know if you monitored the GBP fundamentals this morning.
Yeah, did you actually also see it is official, the pound is in recession?
Oh, yeah. So, Chad, if you didn't, go back and watch yesterday's stream where I talked about the central bank divergence, and you're going to start seeing that coming through now. So Bank of England most likely going to be the first one to need to cut rates to get ahead of the curve and not lag behind it. So very, very interesting. Myself and Keegs are going to go through that now very shortly. And then obviously the big one this afternoon, PPI again, and then also Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. That's going to be with your session with Keegs this afternoon. So keep an eye out for that. Keegs, any expectations on that? I'm expecting that obviously to come out hot. Just looking at the inflation read.
Yeah, so I'm also going quite hot. I think yesterday was just, if you want to say, that little nugget that a lot of people didn't really understand what happened yesterday, saying it was mixed data, it was all these things. It wasn't mixed data, it was purely strength for the dollar. And again, dollar hasn't shown weakness in 1 cent yet. So because of what happened yesterday, again, I think dollar is going to come out hot and right to the top side again today.
And as well, we spoke about the potential for a pullback. Nothing goes up in a straight line, nothing goes down in a straight line. So you're going to get your expansion moves, you're going to get your secondary market structure moves. And yeah, Chad, so Friday, we had a nice push on Tuesday. We've had 2 days worth of decline. We're trading in and between two key levels today for me on DXY, 104.12 and 103.82. So most likely this will be the majority of your daily range. Buys above here, buys above 104.12, sells below 103.82. So this is what I'm expecting. Don't get yourself caught inside of this range. This for me effectively is a no trade range in here, because we can just range inside of it. We need a breakout above or below, but I'm still leaning bullish. You can still see order flow is bullish. We just literally had a very deep pullback back into that range, and I'm going to see what the lower time frames tell us. We've got a gap, interesting, Keegs, a little bit of a gap to the upside, yeah.
On dollar.
Yeah, a little gap arena, yeah. So, Chad, let's see if we go for that gap fill early in the session, and then to come back, trade back above the daily pivot. But ultimately, I never like an open gap, so I would love for this to close quite early into the session. So we're going to keep an eye out on that. I'm going to go over to Keegs while we're on the dollar for us to chat a little bit about today. Keegs.
All right, guys. So just quick run through on it. We spoke about that being bullish. Obviously, this massive gap down. That's what Chris is talking about. Breaking through that key level. But again, we did say we're going to be trading to this key level to hold, or to the weekly pivot to hold. And basically just having that nice retracement over there, but now having the big rejection off the weekly pivot with the closure above. So going forward for the rest of the day now, the thing is, I always said to you guys, if you're going to break a zone massively like this, you've given that move to the upside, but you need that retracement to come in, and now the nice more gradual take that allows you to actually take it and hold to continue to the top side. So again, what I'm going to see on the dollar side of things today, if anything, we can trade down, testing that weekly pivot again. Also getting that gap fill this morning to trade right back up. Obviously, daily pivot in the middle of the Asia range. We've said this a few times. If that lines up like that in the morning, very, very good chance we're going to be sitting around about here for the news to come out, just consolidating, and we're going to see a big, big push come later in the session. That would be for my side, as I say, going for the EQ and going back for that key level to regain that. So we'll just see what happens, but I'm still bullish on the dollar.
Beautiful. Trocky, I received your message. Don't stress, brother. You can, we'll keep you on. Don't worry. Life happens. Let's just keep Trocky's grandmother in your prayers as she goes for treatment. And that's what I always say. We think our biggest battle is trying to make money here on the markets. There's somebody out there fighting cancer, leukemia, and not just the person fighting the cancer. For instance, if you think about it, Llewellyn, that's his name, Llewellyn having to help his grandmother, the family going through the trauma as well. So my thoughts and my prayers are with you, Llewellyn. I know it's not easy, but keep your head up, keep strong. This is where you need somebody in the family to keep everyone together. Keep your grandmother's hopes up. Tell her we send our regards. Tell her she needs to also maintain a positive mindset. And in the end, we'll keep her in our prayers. So just a prayer there for his brother, for his grandmother, Chad. If we can do that. Ultimately, this is a family. We go through the highs and the lows together, and we are here to support one another. So, Llewellyn, don't stress. We'll keep you on Project 5130, and please keep me posted. Chad, all right, US 30 daily. Let's quickly look at the daily. So yesterday, as mentioned, neutral due to the fact that we held above this previous support area, and again, I mentioned we could get a deep pullback to come and retest that. So ultimately, we broke back above that. And very, very interesting is that we are trading now back at the weekly high, if I'm not mistaken. And very, very easy, actually. If we can hold 38,658, I do think we go for these highs again. But if we start breaking and holding below here, I think we can go back in the range. So I'm leaning towards bullish, believe it or not. I am leaning towards bullish. 2 consecutive bullish daily candle closures. Let's see what she does. Lower time frame. What is the lower time frame telling me? Nice and firmly bullish here currently on the 80. We've got that key level down here. We've got the weekly pivot down here. So 3 levels to technically monitor is the 38,662, your daily pivot at 38,636, and then your weekly pivot. So these are the 3 levels to monitor going into the session, and bullish on the day for me. And then Nasdaq, let's quickly look at Nasdaq. Also 2 beautiful consecutive bullish daily candle closures. As mentioned, this is going to be the majority of your weekly trading range. I'm expecting the 7968 to be tested today, so bullish on the day for me. So just want to go there. Bullish on the day. 5-minute time frame. What do we have on the 5? Let's check it out real quick. Okay, already back at, this was yesterday's high, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. I would actually love a pullback back to the daily pivot, either here or even the weekly pivot. And even with that deep pullback, we will still remain bullish. AD is firmly bullish, so wait for those pullbacks, or even Asia lows. Don't try and necessarily buy it here. And also just looking before we started the stream, Hang Seng closing up 2.5%, Nikkei closing up 0.87%, so a lot of positive flows coming through Asia, and you'll ultimately see that also filtering through the FTSE a little bit later through the US 30 and Nasdaq, and also the S&P 500. So Keegs, over to you, my brother.
Alrighty. So going over the indices, guys, with NASDAQ, I am still bearish. We are starting to hold this position again now, but as we said, this can literally be the same pullback that happened for there. If you do look on the weekly, it is a neutral position. So, I mean, it is Friday today, so I even will take a bit more of a neutral stance. We did have that closure above that zone. So if I had to go off technicals, I will say I'm actually more bullish on the day. And that's obviously leaning with that neutral sway of bearish bullish. But yeah, off technicals, I would say it. But again, with news coming out fundamentally, we definitely can see some changes coming out today. So yeah, personally, if I'm going to look for anything going forward with what it's doing, it is just holding structure. So at this point in time, if we get the break below coming in later with news to go test that pivot, the EQ, the weekly pivot, if we hold that and start getting back into the Asia range, I'll look to go along and take it up for the highs again. But if we get something where we start trading down and we break below the weekly pivot and hold that, I'll look to get the sells all the way back down as well. So as I say, very, very neutral position for me on the equities basically on the day. You'll see the same thing on US 30. We had a massive buy, pulling all the way back, recovering that whole move from CPI, but now still closing off with that R1. So at this point in time, we can see this little area over here. And we want to see what holds on here. If it does hold, if it rejects. The only thing is I don't like on the 4 hour, we've got no top wick on this candle. So I want to take note of that big rejection we had there. And then dropping down to the 30 minute, you can see that quick gap down. So even though if you're looking at, we've got our daily pivot and EQ underneath us, if we had to go for that test and the weekly pivot, it would be a perfect setup to trade back up, get Asia ranges, Asia highs untested. So the only thing for me which really can change the game now is if during London session we can test Asia highs and already hold that. Then it's very simple to just see those sells coming in for the daily pivot, weekly pivot, and again, same thing if it fails, just a continuation down today. But both pairs taking much of a neutral position.
Beautiful. Gold. Okay, Chad, yesterday I mentioned to you guys that I'm leaning towards 2006. Go and watch yesterday's analysis. And again, weirdly enough, I can even see us potentially trading all the way back to 2017. And again, that's only going to be a 50% retrace of this move to the upside. So you can see a 51. That is 618 up there. So if we start holding 2006, 2017 becomes very likely. Otherwise, if we keep on rejecting 2006, I think we're going to go for these lows. And also this is that previous breakout level. So just keep an eye out for that. We are bearish. We are looking for the shorts longer term. But look at this previous move here. This was 2 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. We broke the previous daily high and then came all the way back down. So we could see something similar even today where we spike up. You get a nice big daily wick into that 2017 and we end up closing with, say, a small bearish body, and that makes it very easy for us on Monday to continue with those sells. So keep an open mind today. I am neutral on the day due to the fact that at any stage can we continue lower, but I'm also keeping an open mind that we could potentially start trading a little bit deeper. Again, just purely secondary market structure to try and pull back. However, 80 already from yesterday evening, 20 to 6. You can see the 80 is starting to flip bearish again, so be very, very careful here trying to buy the 2006. I almost want to say if you can get a nice little fake out move here, something like this, that is going to be a beautiful setup to take this short for the rest of the day. And honestly, I don't like the buys here, just looking at the 80. And especially also the fact that we're already trading here at the highs. Yesterday, however, we did trade above the Asia highs. Let me just show you this, but look at the difference. Yesterday, while trading here at the Asia highs, the 80 was firmly bullish. The 80 was creating higher highs, higher lows, showing an increase in buying volume. And all of a sudden now today, same scenario, but look at the volume. The volume is not correlating with price. So this for me is a bearish divergence on the 80. Clear bearish divergence on the 80. and keep that in mind going into this session. So I almost want to say I'm more inclined to the sells. So over to gold.
Yeah, so pretty much spot on. I'm looking for the sells today. We had the pullback. As you said, we had this zone over there. It was our first area, 1996. And then obviously 2006 was our zone yesterday as well. So trading into that zone with the rejection and closure below. So very, very simple today. I just wanted to retest and to trade back down. So when we start dropping down on our time frames and start looking for those entries, we can see all this move starting to happen. Yeah, we're starting to lose that momentum. Already getting that bearish candle in, and now just waiting to see if we can get that flip. For gold to basically go bullish, we need to take this very, very strongly and just basically run with it, because you're going to go straight to fill all of this over here. So again, gold not doing that, and that's already showing me something. Again, going over to this, guys, if you look at DXY gap into the upside, not really showing any effect on gold. So there's starting to be that little mismatch over there. On the 15, you are starting to hold these areas here. So we've traded up, and again, as I say, losing that momentum really, really slowly. So all I'm going to be watching out for today is, do we hold this key level? If we start rejecting off of it, once you're back at Asia highs, we can aim for Asia lows untested, daily pivot, EQ. And again, very, very simple. We go all the way right back down to the 1996 and even 1980. So we're just going to keep up with the news today, but I'm definitely bearish on gold for the day.
Alrighty, over to GU. Let's quickly run through the rest. We've got 9 minutes, 8 minutes, 38. Let's just quickly clear this trade journal. Alrighty, GU yesterday closing bullish, and thanks Jeff, closing bullish, and yeah, we basically in this range. So for the most part, this will be your daily range. No clear buyers for me on this as of yet. This will be your daily range, and whether we break above it, we'll go and retest that. That's still to be seen. Yesterday testing this key level, Wednesday, Thursday trading away from that key level. I think you guys would have seen yesterday we took a buy minus 3.9 pips. Ranged for most of the London session. We caught buys here. Yeah, we caught buys here. Literally ranged the entire London session late into the afternoon, and then we actually got that push up. So right idea, just didn't have any volume during the London session. So no harm, no foul done there. And then we had this break above here. So looking at the lower time frame, and looking at the accumulation distribution, you can clearly see that we've been diverging from yesterday. So are we going to trade lower? I don't know. Weekly pivot up here. Asia highs have been swept. Daily pivot down here. So I almost want to say, if we can start doing something like this today, I'm very, very keen for the sells. Otherwise, the buys, there's going to need 12600 here. We're going to need to see some type of impulsive move above this round number, and then a retest and a hold here. So relatively neutral going into the session on GU. I'm not gonna marry any bias going into the session, so I'm gonna remain neutral, remain nimble, and see where we are. Daily euro, let's quickly look at it. All right, daily on the euro, 2 bullish candles on the daily. We're trading within this range, Chad. This is the range that we are now in, and can we see price going now above that weekly pivot to come and retest this key level here? Technically I need to be bullish on this because we've had 2 bullish daily candle closures. We are still within this range, so bullish to neutral. We've got a key level down here as well, so while we trade above yesterday's low, I can expect some type of move still to the upside. Otherwise this thing can just start dying down. So 5 minutes, what do we have in the 5 minute? Okay, Asia low still intact. 80 is starting to grind its way a little bit higher. Nothing really giving me any clues there. Rejection of the weekly pivot, so I'm going to say neutral for me. I'm going to wait for more price action. Can't tell you that there's anything clean on that. UJ, I'm still bullish. This could just purely be the pullback. There's that test on the key level, and we've got 150.40 here. So even though we've got a confirmed resistance, I'm expecting us to maybe potentially today do something like this. So keep an eye out for that. So I'm going to still remain neutral to bullish on the day. And then the 5 minute, what is the 5 telling me? 5 is telling me the 80 is wanting to go bullish. Asia lows, round number, daily pivot down here, and key level up here. So I'm actually going to set some alerts for that key level, 150.41. That is the key level there. And then still within the Asia range, so can't do too much there now. GJ, then I'm almost done. GJ, EJ, then it's over to Keegs. GJ as well, confirmed resistance there. Here's that test of the breakout level. We talked about this on Monday. Already breaking yesterday's high. I actually took buys yesterday. I'm going to go through that now. So still neutral to bullish. I took the buys here yesterday. Neil also shared it within the chat. There was the Asia low hold. There you can see a double test on the Asia lows. 80 moving averages flipped bullish. 80 was bullish. I caught it right here on that little break, and the trade management was very easy. If I was going to get one candle that was going to do something like this, I would have killed the trade, but luckily we caught that beautiful volume all the way to the upside. So going into this session, what do we have here? Massive spike to the upside. Asia low still intact. Round number here. Okay, I'm going to wait for price to develop, chat. Not going to give you anything there as of yet. And then GJ. GJ, beautiful test here on the key level, 161. And now 161.76. Relatively easy. If we can start trading above here, we've got a lot of ground to cover to the upside. So still bullish on the day. And 5 minute time frame. What do we have on the 580? Is still firmly bullish. Daily pivot all the way down here. Asia highs is at the key level, so very interesting. We're going to need to watch that level. But again, everything's still in the Asia range, Chad. Over to Keeks to finish it off for you guys, and open in 3 minutes.
Alright guys, so going over to UJ. For myself with UJ, I'm still quite bullish on the pair. We basically had this little bit of a trade down these last 2 days, but I think dollar going to come back to the party today, obviously. So I am more bullish on the day. When you can see how we've been trading, even on the higher time frames, definitely getting that momentum. So we're back at this key rejection area over here. So that's what we're taking note of. Personally, very, very simple on the day. The fact we've already got EQ and daily pivot, all those things tested, weekly pivots. Once we can trade up over here, if we get a break above this and we can test and hold this, I'll look to go long from there and just trade it up. So my alerts are in place for that one. Then EJ is another one I'm looking at for the day. So we are quite bullish on EJ. So we had the trade. Again, this is just if we can get it, but I'm very doubtful of that one, purely because we have had 2 retests of that zone already. So on the 30 minutes, you can see us trading up because of the momentum coming in. That's the only reason. Also, I don't think we'll go down that far, but when we're on our 15, you can see the daily pivot and EQ is still quite far down. So that's also what's giving me the idea we could still come here. But even though I can take a 1-to-1, I'll look for, once we break Asia highs, we are right here. So if we can break, the minute we get R1, I would be going break even on the trade. And then basically it needs to run. So if we can do something like that, and then just continue all the way up to R2. So EJ is definitely one on the cards for me today. I'm not even bothering looking at GJ, purely because of the news that even though it is bullish, the news of the pound going into recession today isn't very, very helpful for that, and it has just been quite weak across the board with the fundamentals this week. So I just don't think it will be the better out of the pairs to trade. So I'll either look at UJ or EJ. Then going over to EU, I am still bearish. We basically traded up to the pivot with that news yesterday, but same thing. This is all just trade down, retracement, trade down, retracement, and now we can go for that fill again. So I am going to be looking for the breaks to the downside. And we can see that come in nicely already. The previous 4 hour breaking those lows for us. So again, massive turn, rejection of the Asia highs and the weekly pivot. So all I'm going to look for now is literally for us to take the Asia lows and see that quick flush closure below Asia lows and just flush it down after that. And then GU, also quite a no-brainer. So GU I'd actually really like to take the sells for, because I feel this one will be just a waterfall effect. Again, trading down, taking the lows, big rejection of the weekly pivot. On the 30-minute, we can see that literally rejection, traded up, tested the Asia highs again, and rejected. So the GU sells looking a bit better than the EU sells. Obviously, again, very simple. Pound weak, dollar strong, no-brainer for this one. So again, daily pivot in here, so we can see that big move come. Again, once you break Asia lows, you have that entry. You've got Asia lows and daily pivot to hold you with trade management, and then basically see that flush to the downside, which you can see S1. If S1 holds, then aim all the way for S2. So it can be another nice trade as well. So definitely have my alerts in place for these trades. And that is it.
Thanks so much. Chad, Friday markets are open and in motion. Round 1 fight. Neil, any news on car culture? No. Chad, let me know. Car culture, how are you, my brother? Is he alright? It seemed that he was fine from the pictures we got in the Discord, so just let me know.
Oh, so what happened?
Remember he was in that car accident.
Oh, but he said he's been fine. He's already he's been at home. He's been just recovering now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So no, he's good. Chad, you've got it. Chad, good morning to everyone. My eyes are still a little bit choked from yesterday. I don't know if my glasses are dirty. Actually gonna pop a little panada here. And Chad, big podcast this afternoon. Some announcements from my side, so be sure to join that. I don't think you guys want to miss it. Could be the last one, could not, but
I really suggest you have to be there for this one.
Chad, but I hope you guys are feeling good. Beanie, sorry to hear, my brother. I lost my father during COVID, and you start to realize there's a lot more to life after losing a person, and the value of life. So my condolences to you as well, my brother. Good luck. It gets better with time. Good morning. What is your take on Nas? Wasim, we spoke about it. Just go back on the stream. I'm bullish on the day. So just go back a little bit on the stream. You can't join the VIP group. We handpicked that. But yeah. Project 5130, guys. Saturday 6 to 8. Another nice, bright and early start. Tomorrow morning I need to bring Keegan to Seattle. Keegs, is that a deal?
That's a deal, brother. I won't say no.
Keegs was here ready last week, Sunday, already with the Seattle. This man saved some lives. Chad, one thing before we wait for the shuffle, I saw somebody sent me Joash Naidu is putting out a course. Please, Chad. I don't know how to emphasize this. Please do not waste one single rand on whatever that false prophet is going to sell you. Because, seems like the signals business is bad now. He's doing a course on what? I don't know. On how to blow accounts. You're gonna be better off flipping a coin. So please, if Joe Schneider's got a problem with that, he knows where my offices are. Please don't waste any money of your own hard-earned money on whatever regurgitated cookie cutter stuff he's gonna try and sell. Please, please, please. J Fire, yeah, he needs the fire of repentance in his heart, because that man, yeah, he needs to repent. Yeah, the trading night video will already just highlight the fact that this man has got zero clue. Thinking about it this morning, Keeks, here's my thing though.
Yeah.
That man has not traded a live account in maybe the last 3-4 years, so he can't even help you with the psychology around trading, because there's no emotion when you trade a demo.
Yeah, there's that.
So, bro, I don't know. Anyways, it just makes me furious. A guy trading demo. That's like the blind leading the blind.
Nah, he's useless, that man.
Two G's Casino. Yo. Keeks, how's your eyes, bro? I already took like a little grandpa, yeah.
But Akko did send me a thing. He got the Narpot working.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Akko in the chat.
Nah, he's traveling, but he sent me a video of how we need to just activate it.
Give me that, man. Yeah, I know, but Connor, sometimes you need to warn the people. Not giving him any airtime, but again, can't have somebody that's clueless trying to teach people. Yo. Guys, NFP's against us. You, Aina. One video even heard like it sounded like NFP punched Darren Dix in the stomach. It's like, guys, we're buying, and you just hear Darren like, there goes my.
But my thing is also, you know, there's got to be problems, when you literally need to fly to another city to trade NFP with everyone, because I think if that signal goes wrong here, they're coming for you.
So, Darren Dix. No sushi tonight, babe. Get that 2-minute noodles. Alright, baby, let me just phone CJ Bankroll. Hey, Chad, these guys aren't ready for us. Oi. When are we getting the Listen, yeah. So I asked Caitlin to start looking up for the prostate check. What was the first 3 names, Keeks? Just tell these people what was the first 3 names that came up. And that's exactly what we talked about.
It was, I remember Johan.
It was a Hannes. And what was the other one? Immediately, that's a no-go for me.
Yeah, we were like, nope, not happening.
A guy's name
was thanks for coming. I'll see you next year.
So I'm not getting my prostate checked by Hannes, especially not a Johan. A Johannes. Yo.
Yeah.
Wasn't the other guy you bad or yeah, bro?
Something. I choose life.
No. And then I asked Caitlin, there's no female doctors. I don't know where we're gonna. But we're gonna get it going, Chad. That was the first time I saw Keegan very, very worried. I've never seen this man. This man is always cool as a cucumber. But when Caitlin said, okay, we've got a Dr. Hubert, Dr. Johannes, and then Keeks was like, no.
Oh, Chris, you solo in this one.
No, those 4 men. The 2G's prostate vlog. That's gonna be beautiful. Never seen these oaks at a dedicated trading setup. No, you won't. You won't see them at a setup.
They don't even know what a setup is.
Hectic is his lifestyle play just on signals, no trading. Yes. IB rebates and signals. If you work it out, he's got 1,000, anywhere between 1,000 to 1,300 people on his group paying 799. So 1,300 times 799. That's R1 million a month purely from signals. And then you can look at IB commissions, all of that. You're looking at another 300 to 500k. So that's 1.5 mil a month purely from not touching a chart, just marketing lifestyle. So
must be a good laugh, eh?
yeah, Jeremy, ask him as a fellow brother in Christ. Tell him to show you when was the last time he made a deposit from his bank into a broker account. That man will run for the hills. Hands like a shovel, my bro. I have to say, Jeff also looked a little bit worried.
Oh, Jeff, he was going to be fighting for his life.
My boy Jeva was Kicks, would you take his gold breaks lower now?
Maybe, but it would have to depend. I'd have to see what DXY's. So DXY is back at the pivot. If DXY could get above that pivot, then I'd consider it.
Dude, unfortunately, 99.9% of the trading mentors out there can't trade. Hard work, determination. That's Toto Wolf, my bro. Out.
No.
Hard work. As you can see, guys, I'm 600k in demo profit drawdown. But the comeback will be stronger. Thank you for donating all of those funds. Thank you for paying for signals so I can use your money to place very random bets in the market.
But I still love it, that last CPR. The man posts say, oh, guys, it's part of the game. Like, he took a 600k knock, but he's entered and it's the comeback. And he's currently like 140 up. And I'm just sitting there, and then he kills it. Like, he just kills it randomly. And I'm saying, yeah, because just after that, the market continued to dump. So your 140k profits went right back down to another 300k loss.
His eyes, yeah, I don't know, bro. His eyes look funky. It's almost like if you scale him, you can't look at somebody in the eye. You squint your eye. Have you seen his eyes? He's got crazy eyes, bro. It's like...
No, that man. Oh, yeah.
Shame, money. I actually feel sorry for the dude. Like, deep down inside, like...
Chris, don't lie now.
Dude, I feel sorry for the guy. I'm actually willing to mentor Darren Dix and Joash. Just to get these guys to at least provide some value. Like, I'll mentor them for free. Tell Darren Dix and Joash Naidu they can fly down for a week. I'll mentor them for free, completely. Myself and Keegan will teach them fundamentals. We'll teach them price action. Just so they at least have some sort of a base. And not flying blind, yeah.
Yeah, there's not the blind leading the blind.
Yeah, bro, it's so unathletic, eh? I've never seen somebody with that's so unathletic. Like, I can't even imagine him. Like I'm overweight, but I can still go and play golf, and I can still go and play squash or whatever. Like I still have that baller in me, but that man has got zero athleticism.
So hey, talking about that, hey, we're gonna talk about another guy quickly for another thing. Now we always say like how much we enjoy Don.
Yeah.
Why the hell does Don still have so much respect for Raja?
You know why? He doesn't want that heat from Raja. And the last time people were spamming his YouTube channel, so I think it's just his way of like keeping things neutral. Just like
Okay.
No, but Raja
I get what you're saying, but yeah.
Raja is a joke. I don't know, between Joash and Raja, who's the biggest clown?
Yeah, those guys, they're next level there.
And tell Joash Keegan will train him for a month as well, just to improve his posture and his hips. His hips look a little bit stiff when he walks, bro.
Yeah, he looks like he's uncomfortable. Like there's a
must-
little carrot or something up
We
there.
must get that man on a foam roller. Get those hip flexors loose a bit. Those hip flexors are tight, my bro.
There must be a lot of knots, bro, from all the stress of trading demo.
Raja's trades can be verified on my FX book. Connor, you've got a lot to learn, my brother. You've got a lot to learn.
I'm saying, if you even, I'm over to say there about that one.
Let me not even. Anyways, Chad, we're just waiting for the shuffle. Nothing has really happened here. I'm in Euro USD buy. Darren analysis is a box that says money area inside. The money box, alright. Raja's back again on a different. Yeah, I told you, C Trader is now going to be the best platform because Meta Quotes chalked his license. So now you're going to see, whoa, Meta Quotes, terrible. C Trader is the future.
Who was it that tuned Joash, where they said you can't trust an Indian man in tight jeans like that.
Bro, and then he's got a booty on him. He's got that triangle body. Have you seen that cone body? Like your shoulders and then your hips go out, this triangle body.
Yo.
No, but we're wrong, Chad. But anyways, if you're a millionaire and you look like that, that's why I challenged myself. I was like, no, you can't be leading people and you look like a soft little cupcake. You guys think I'm ketoing and running every day and training? Yo, bro, he's got that bunny chow body on him.
Oh, the bunny chow.
That man's got a soft little bunny chow body on him.
Oh. Yo.
Darren and Joash, just two unathletic dudes selling you a dream.
You know, but my biggest thing today with Darren is that man has no scam in the fact his biggest post that he tries to flaunt like the Ferrari. Bro, you still in the dealership. You in the dealership. Like, okay, I can also go do that. Like, it's not yours. There's not one thing. You haven't even at least tried to be like the other guys and take the photo of it in front of your house or something. Like, you're standing in the dealership with it.
Got in those GU cells from the top. Lee Elliott, you absolute machine. Just machine gunning it. No, beautiful, dude. What is that? That is like Oh, beautiful. Go break even, brother. I'm waiting for it. Yeah. Daily pivot, Asia lows. Absolute machine gunning. He's got a booty on him. Sorry, Chad. That's terrible. I need to go repent this weekend. I do apologize. Joash, Darren. Sorry, guys. I'm not going to apologize for both of you having two soft little bodies like newborn babies, but yeah, I'm just gonna, for the nasty things I said. Raja said, meta traders, Raja must just keep his mouth shut. That man is an absolute idiot.
Wait. Hi, Christian Keek. Sorry I didn't reply to your email, being busy with college. What email did we send you? I didn't send you an email.
Gary Mill, please, yeah, and guys, we'll never ask you for money or anything, please.
Yeah, bro. I don't know who you emailing.
Okay, last one, Keeks, then we're done with this. Who do you rate's got the softer body? Joash or Darren?
Joash.
Yeah.
100%
No,
Joash.
I agree with you. His body is a lot softer.
You know what I always think of when I think of Darren is those like hillbillies that go on like American Idols. Like the man looks like he's like 40 years old, but he's like trying to be a rapper at the same time. Like he's always in these like basketball shorts and some bright colored t-shirt and the matching cap, and he's that guy like you can't actually like have style, so everything must be the same color. Like the man literally just looks like he's going for some audition or something. Gonna go be like a backup dancer for 50 Cent or something.
Jason, please don't tell me that man sold a strat called the toenail strat for that. That is like absolutely challenging your intelligence. If you paying money for the toenail strat. Joash for sure, his body's like the curious case of Pedro. The older he gets, the younger his body. Hey, Chad, stop it, man. Come on. He used to scam us back in the day with World Ventures as well. Hey. Okay, now, Chad, we done here. I'm done here. I'm done here. Alright, Chad, no, come on. Yo, if my wife or my mother sees the stream again, I'm gonna get clapped this weekend. My mom is gonna phone the pastor again, and it just pitches up in my office. She actually did that a couple of years ago. Her pastor, she phoned him. She's like, yo, this child of mine is carrying a grudge. And the pastor rocks up in my office, and I'm like, hey, Pastor Loki, gaan het? Ek soos, ja nee, ek sê om jou te sien. Ek soos, what?
What?
Nah, bro, the pastor rocking up there. I still laughed. My other mate that was in office is like, yo, that pastor really has that bishop voice. The way he speaks to, I'm like, yo, phone my mom. I'm like, chill, mom. It's like, what are we doing here?
You know what's funny is I could literally see your face. Like, oh no, I'm here to see you. What?
Nah, like, bro, the pastor there. That man is throwing down fire there in the office. No, my mom's that proper old school. She doesn't play. If you get out of line at pastor, she's like, yo, stuur die kind vir my. Boom. Pastor at your office, like, come, let's sit down. What's happening? Bro, imagine Cool's pastor and Joash. Oh my goodness, my guy. Yo.
Yeah, I just laugh then. Like, yeah, I laugh. I'm not even taking that man serious.
No, it's actually very sad if you are so delusional that you're a pastor, you're this lifestyle mentor. bro.
My thing is, you literally have no scam in life.
No,
you can be a pastor and scam people.
You should literally you either completely clinically retarded, like you cannot even what do they call it? You can't even discern between right and wrong. It's like you've got the inability to be subjectively critical on yourself, to say like, bro, what I'm doing here is not right.
You know, my next question is, I always wonder about this stuff, and again, not trying to attack anyone on this, but do you think the partners are aware of exactly what these guys do? Because how can you not be? How can you be completely oblivious to it?
Dude,
I know Darren's what's it, Abraham something, I can't remember what her name is, but she's been pulled into it a few times, so she's well aware. But Joash's wife, I think she's completely off social media and stuff like that, because like, how can you be oblivious to what these guys are doing?
I think it's almost that cult mindset. If you're in a cult church, you don't know you're in a cult.
I mean, again,
you're almost like brainwashed. It's like,
I mean, I could also turn a blind eye if I'm getting some Gucci and Louis Vuitton. And
it's almost the same as these OnlyFans girls posting half-naked pics. We can't even see their face. You only see their ass, and it's like, oh, Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Hashtag blessed. And I'm like, bro, what are you doing? Hashtag bless what? Hashtag you just basically putting a brother into a situation where he needs to cut out his eye. Like hashtag bless some clothes onto your body. what are you doing? Hashtag bless Psalm 23 verse 6. Nah, bro, it's wait for the toenail to form. The toenail strat is where the market actually pulls out your toenails. Very painful.
Chris, just quickly there, brother. Plan FX. Want you just to give your whole strategy there quickly. What your trading strategy is? How do you trade?
Okay.
A quick 10-second rundown.
All right, plan FX. Sure, brother. I'm not gonna be that guy. I'm gonna do you a solid. I'm gonna ask you to join the Discord, and then you go into the education section, and you're gonna see my trading plan, my strategy, and all of my entry criteria. Go check it out, and then come back. Meer soos die voetskummelstraat. Hey. Meer soos die atleetsvoet strategie. Jy sien hom nie, maar jou voet juk. As jy weer sien met jy 'n salfie op hom sit. Alright, chat, I'm looking at GU. I want to wait for this break below Asia lows. There's that first test on the daily pivot. We're also going to need to see the dollar get above this daily pivot. So let's just keep an eye out on GU. Euro also still holding this daily pivot. So let's see. Ideally, what I want to see is a break below. And after we get that break below, I would just love a nice little retest here of Asia lows. And even say maybe a nice little bullish candle. And then the next candle giving us a tiny little structure break like that. Then we at least have some structure to work from. But yeah, that's the idea with GU. EU looking to be the stronger one today. As you can see, 80 nice and firmly bullish. So I would rather be selling GU than EU. guys, back to business. Like. Yes, Chad, if you have not done so, please drop a like, support the channel, help us support you, and it goes a very long way. Liking, subscribing just helps us to get the message out there. We do these streams every day on time, live, and we honestly give you guys the best that we can, and we're paying it forward. That is ultimately what we're doing here. So yeah, please like, subscribe if you have not done so. Join the Discord. A lot going on there as well, so feel free to join the Discord. Follow us on Instagram, and then also stick around for the podcast a little bit later. I've got some news. When Comedy Central and Forex Trading partner up, you get Chris Marketable. We're just keeping it light, Chad. Life is already quite serious, so why not have fun along the way? Kiggs, what are you waiting for in gold, my brother? Are you gonna wait for
I'm waiting for
pullback?
DXY basically,
Okay.
actually. DXY one closing above that pivot. So
Alright,
until then, I
got you,
just feel gold always can have a pullback until DXY starts getting that momentum.
Got you. Kiggs, have you guys checked out Timon Creek? Not a trader, but motivational as hell. I think I've seen him. The guy with the long hair that did he did e-commerce, if I'm not mistaken. Etienne, let me know if that's the Timon. I think I've seen him. What do you call a priest in for the money? A prophet. Jeez, you guys are relentless. German
Holding back.
German 40. It's German 30. Let's do a quick analysis. We haven't watched this. All right, daily firmly bullish. Beautiful breakout. It was in a daily consolidation for how long? Nice breakout, all-time highs. This thing can go and take out some short sellers. However, how would you get involved in this with your Asia range being up here, your daily pivot all the way down here? So very tricky at this stage buying the all-time highs. I'm almost going to tell you better off waiting for a retest of Asia highs here, or even this daily pivot, this breakout level here. So don't waste your time, my brother, unless you want to chase it. Good luck, keep us updated, but that is just a short and sweet analysis from my side. Alright, Chatadonia, GU, I think get your charts ready in the meantime. Just want to keep an eye out for this little bad boy here. Trav pays we focus on. I'm just gonna slide out my watch list. This is the stream list up until here. So everything above we focus on. Euro GBP we purely use as an indicator for strength between the euro and pound. German 30 is just here for vibes. Yen futures we just look at for correlations with the yen. USD ZAR I just use for myself in terms of looking at what the exchange rate is doing, and WTI is also here for vibes. A lot of guys always ask what's happening with oil, then we throw it on there, but for the most part majors, yen majors, and then gold and indices. CZY Gaming, new entry please, SAR, GBP. Alright, my brother. What you can do is you can full margin gold short here, my brother. Your stops above here, above 2017, and your target, the daily pivot. There's an entry for you, my brother. May the force be with you. Guys, just want to say thank you for all your hard work helping out many new traders become profitable. Your honesty and transparency is very rare in this industry, and I know we all appreciate it. David, really appreciate the kind words, my brother. Really appreciate it. Yeah, the beauty of being transparent and telling the truth is you never need to hide your face. You never need to come up with a story. You give it real, raw. When I see you in the street, I don't have to think, oh, flip, what did I tell David 3 weeks ago? Oh, damn, David, this, that. No. See it here live, in the flesh, 1080p. You watch us win, you watch us lose. And that's the beauty of the truth. If you tell the truth, you don't have to worry at night. Oh, what did I tell that guy? Oh, I told that guy I'm profitable. Oh, I told that guy I trade a real account, but actually I trade demo or whatever. EJ setting up nicely. Yeah. Only thing I don't like with EJ is this is the weekly high, my brother. This is literally the weekly high, the daily high, the session high. So it's a little bit tricky without any fundamentals coming out now. We've got ECB Schnabel speaking in 10 minutes. So
Schnabel.
Nothing wrong with this setup when you trade a session high, weekly high, but you're going to need some volume. And what's going to cause that volume? I don't think Schnabel is going to be able to bring that volume. And if he does, that's perfectly fine with me. I'll rather have something like this, because then at least we've got a session high to target for that liquidity sitting above there. But you can very easily become the liquidity trying to buy a weekly high. GU, let's see. GU currently looking the cleanest for me, Chad, if I'm very honest. Below the moving averages, below the daily pivot. 80 is below, so purely just waiting for this break here. As soon as we get that break, I'll execute on the shorts here. But then again, DXY would need to get above this daily pivot as well, because Euro is currently making some sort of a comeback here. So just keep that in mind. We're gonna need two things to really align here for us for that position. Chris on Vault Funder, after you pass phase 2 and you are funded, do you have to trade every day for 30 days? No. No minimum trading days. You literally just need, it's 30 calendar days that need to pass before you can place your first withdrawal. What is your guys' take on investing with easy equities? Looking, Trav, very good. Easy equity is very, very good. Very low cost. Nothing wrong with them. I've got a portfolio with them as well. A little stock portfolio, as well as a little properties portfolio on their easy properties. So, no, beautiful platform. What's the owner's name or the CEO? I think it's Savage, something Savage. Owner of Easy Equities. Yeah, Charles Savage. Some people say Sav. Okay, let's not. Chad not ready for that. Alright, Chad, gonna set some alerts here. Let's see if we can get a little position here. Keegan's his back is absolutely crushed from carrying the Chad here this week. Keegs, how's your back, my brother?
Yo, Brett,
your back must be.
It's time for a nice massage.
Ooh.
But you, I must say, like, I think, and this is purely actually going back to when we did our course with the guys. I said to Chris, even the fact when I had to draw up my trading strategy again, like, I realized, like, shit, there's so many of my own rules I haven't actually been following lately. And since I've been implementing them, going back to my things, like not trying to force things. I mean, I'm sure you guys have noticed, if I see a pair I don't like what I'm seeing, chalk it. I don't want to look at the pair this week. And just move on. And yeah, it's been showing in my trading again. So definitely worth revising your stuff every now and again.
Keys, can we get that camera a little bit down? I just want to show them that strong chin you've got. Wait, a little bit up. I want the hairline in as well. Tiny bit up. Just a little bit. Hey, look at that. Smile for the camera. Just look into the camera and smile for me.
Little...
Hey, Chad. Screenshot that and put it on a wallpaper. Keeks, but now for real, before we start looking at this GU trade potentially, the prostate check, do you have my back on that one? Just be real with me. I need you to. I'm gonna get somebody with small, soft hands, no ulcers or anything like calluses. Like, we'll also check that the nails are cut, so it's not like a little nail that hooks. Do I have your back there, my brother? They say prevention is better than cure.
It's still debatable.
Okay, but we'll talk, Chad. I'll massage him into it.
Nas going to the moon. Oof. Guys
Nas
always want
going.
to jump in these candles just because they see a market move, then they want to jump in on them.
Chad, no need to chase any price. If you miss the initial move, wait for the pullback.
GBP new entry mark. CZZY Gaming. Just chill, bro. Just chill.
Alright, my brother. CZY Gaming. What's your name so we can pray for you?
Yeah. Wrenches.
Let's just get his name first, and then we can pray for him. Actually, one of my favorite streamers actually have that, eh?
What's that?
A prayer wall. Josh Answers Trading Fraternity. He was a big inspiration for me, also wanting to live stream. Just want to show you guys here quickly. I think it's here in his. Where's his? Yeah, here's his prayer wall. So you can actually post the prayer here. And then him and his mom. I love to pray and love you guys. I want to pray for me as well. It's a powerful thing. So yeah, you can literally submit your prayer, and him and his mom and his cell group pray for you. Can I talk about your request in the future on a video? We'll keep anonymous. Yeah, so he prays for the. Absolutely love the dude. Very, very solid. He's not really. I wouldn't consider him a trader. He's more investor.
Yeah.
And he trades options, but an absolute beast. He knows his stuff. Very good fundamentally as well. I usually, when I work in the evenings, I've got him on the back end. He also has got a Bloomberg terminal, and I usually he breaks it down, everything, like just creates that context for me, so I don't even have to go through the news. This man is just like, he's a human news feed and a analyst all in one. Where's Angelo? Angelo is coming next Friday, my brother. Angelo in the house next Friday. Is that the playlist? No, not yet. Keeks, you guys didn't? No, you didn't take anything. I was on the stream yesterday.
Yeah, no, I didn't take anything yesterday.
Chad, sorry, before we do the Casino Royale thing, I actually saw now what you guys are talking about. That's why I even phoned Keegan. So at home, it showed that I was first. I put in number 1. I knew Keegs was going to do something like 0 or 1. That's why I put 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, on my side, I phoned Keegan. I'm like, bro, double up. It showed I'm first. And he's like, no, bro. And then all of you also said so.
Yeah, the thing is, I think it's literally it's internet. Like for you, you've sent the message. Think of it like WhatsApp. You've sent the message, you've sent it, but it hasn't got 2 ticks yet. It hasn't actually been sent and delivered. So when it delivers on my side, when you send and what time we get it is obviously different.
So Chad, yeah, we're trying our best here. That night, okay. No, we're not gonna do the night pot today.
We're not gonna do it.
Is it an easy fix?
Yeah, he said there was literally just one setting that you had to change. I'll literally have the video. Yeah, so let me just
let me quickly get into night pot. That's gonna save our eyes, if I'm very honest. Chad, talk to me. How's the week been? Have you guys been following your trading plans? How do you feel about the week? How do you feel about your work ethic at your day job? Have you been crushing it?
Yeah, so if you want to use it as the video, then you can just watch it and I'll show you how to set it up.
Chad, here's my thing. I'm all about self-development and getting yourself to be better every single day, every year. And I'm driving home yesterday, and I'm thinking a lot of people don't like their 9 to 5. And my question always is, dude, are you killing your 9 to 5? Are you the guy that's absolutely mauling your 9 to 5? Even though I hated my 9 to 5 to the tail end of my career, I was destroying it. I was there first in the morning, a lot of times last out. I took on more projects than I could handle because I wanted to make myself irreplaceable, and I wanted to keep myself to a standard that nobody else can hold up to. So firstly, I usually ask somebody if they're in a 9 to 5, are you killing it or are you average? And mostly it's like, bro, I'm just getting through the day, this and that. And I'm like, okay, firstly, before you even look at something else, dominate that 9 to 5. You're actually going to get a lot more out of it because you're going to see progress. And maybe some doors open up for you. That's maybe why doors haven't opened up, because you just average. You on time for work, you leave early. It's like when you're gone, you're not even missed. It's like, oh, who was that guy? Didn't even know he was in the office here. But once you start dominating, people feel that impact. If you're not there one day, it's immediately like there's a void. Like, dude, where's Keegan? Where's Chris? Like, I can feel that void is there. But most of you got, as the video, did you send it to me? Oh, sorry, brother.
I'll send it to you.
So be faithful with the little you've got before you can even be faithful with a lot. So some of you want that million rand trading account, but you can't even be faithful with that 1,000 rand trading account. So how are you going to be faithful with 1 million if you can't even properly manage a 1,000 rand account? And we need to talk about these things, Chad.
That's it now, Chris.
Shut my brother. Or do you want to work out your eyes today?
Either or, doesn't matter to me. I'm just saying, he did.
Bro, I actually saw like a little striation on your eye. Like it's starting to flex a little bit. I've got like a little tricep popping out of my eye here. So I'm just going to mute your chat. Just keep the chat busy here. Chat, I'm just going to check this video for 2 seconds. I'm going to throw over to your screen, Keeks.
What are we looking at, guys? Still just waiting on gold. That's why I said I didn't enter. DXY not giving us anything yet. As you can see, DXY going off a bit to the downside. So, yeah, literally just waiting at this point in time for it to do something. So a little bit of the patience game, but we will get there. We'll get there. Whilst there were trading week being slow though, it's actually been a very, very good week, bro. Been lots of volume this week. Just had to choose your trades quite carefully in your times, but yeah, been a very, very good week. Is gold going below 2,000 today? Maybe it is, brother. Maybe it is. I started learning Spanish this week. You for me learn a foreign for the week so far. Damn. I always thought about wanting to do that, bro, but like my thing was a week later I forgot what the hell I learned. So I'm pretty useless at it. I like my 2 jobs, yeah. Well said, Chris, yeah. DXI fill in the morning gap, Keegan. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. So but you see, so the problem for me is what I see on gold is, look what DXY is doing, but yet gold still can't break. It's literally just consolidating. So that's one thing I'm just trying to take note of. Because gold's, dollar's taking the shots, but remember, that can just be for a gap fill where gold's barely reacting to it. So definitely just taking note of that. Guys, I'd like to know how these profits actually work once you're funded. Are you still trading with demo funds at that point, or are they paid on profits secured from all the failed accounts? Bro, so keep in mind it is actual your money there, but basically how they're paying you out is, keep in mind, end of the day you are making the money. You are making the money, they still just taking their split. So your deposit is, again, that's your money that was paid, it's just being reimbursed to you. And then your profits, it's money you've made. You've made the money and they just taking their split. So yeah, again, Lyle, not too much to think into the back end of it. It's quite a bit to really actually understand how it works. But yeah, for you as if you want to say the consumer, it's very simple, bro. You have your splits, and that's basically it. How you're working it off. You making your profits, they just paying you out from what you made, and they take a portion of it because of the buying capital they've given you. Lau, the answer is yes. Connor, it's actually no. So that's why. Yeah, Connor, you seem like someone on this channel that doesn't really know fuck all, like really. And actually, hold on. Is this the same Connor who was young with that other capital trading brother that tried to take us on? Because then this would make a lot of sense.
What is Connor? Connor's, I think, been in the chat a while.
No, but I'm saying that time that Grand Capital or two brothers trading or whatever, remember that fight with? Remember I said there were 2 of them?
Yeah.
I think Connor was the second one, if I remember correctly.
No, man. What did Connor say here?
That's why I'm just checking if it was Connor. Maybe it's not, but I think it was Connor. Ask Chris. I'm not asking Chris shit, bro. I'm asking you. Was it you?
What is Connor stirring the pot here?
Connor, answer the question there, brother.
Wait, what, Chad? What did I miss? I was literally away for 2 minutes, and I see violence here. Give me just some context here, Chad. What's going on, guys? I would like to know these profits actually work once you are funded. You are still trading with demo funds at that point. You are paid on profits sourced from all the failed accounts. Lal van Niekerk, absolutely correct, my brother. That's how the.
But he's asking, is the whole capital that they run with? So if you have a 200k account, is that a 200 live k based off people's failed money that they make?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Lal, do me a favor, go and research B-book brokers or hybrid brokers, and it's basically just a derived form from a B-book broker.
Yeah. So there, as we said, Connor, that's why I said it's not purely just losses, because the money of the account is not made of lost money, and then the profits you're making is just purely off profits. and then the payouts. Yeah. So, but moving forward, Connor, that's all you have to say then. If you weren't one of the two brothers, then that's hundreds, bro. That's literally all you have to answer with.
No, I think Connor. No, I don't think Connor. No, Connor's been a foundation here in the chat.
Cool Keeks. No, that's what I said. Remember, that's what I said. There was two of them that day, and that's what I said. A Connor just rang a bell in my head. It was either a Connor or it was a Luke or something. And I was like, okay.
Wasn't it like
because remember the one brother hasn't been back.
Yeah.
The other one, he kept coming back, and that's where we banned him.
But
the
maybe,
other one never came back.
This Connor got saved and he repented. We always believe in second chances. Maybe he had that Damascus moment. Maybe this is the Connor that had a Damascus. Okay, Chad, gonna go pee quick. I thought this is gonna break lower, but I'll see you guys now. Give me.
Oh, they even Vince is saying, it was a Connor. Yeah, that's what I said. It just rang a bell in my head now.
Connor, but if it was you and you've repented, my brother, we still love you.
He says it wasn't him, so maybe it's another Connor. That's just, I can't tell it's the exact Connor, but yeah.
Chad, we love all of you, even the haters, the lurkers, the Twitter deleters, the Instagram lurkers, the Chad. Okay.
I was going to say, where are you going with this? Other Connor has left a sour taste in Keek's mouth. And be the referee, lol. Yeah, no, guys, it's just my thing. The only reason is, for example, like we say, we have family out here. So we don't need these idiots here. If they come back, it's just a simple thing of they just get banned. Because we don't need those problems in the chat here. So... yeah, that's all. So it's not anything about any other thing. We just don't need it yet anymore. We had our times where we had those issues with guys, and been there, done that now. Ultimarco, keep it professional. We do, and if you don't like it, there is lots of other channels, bro. So yeah, we raw and real on this channel, and that's always how it's gonna be. If I had to be professional, I would be in an office in a suit and tie. But it's all about being real with you guys, yeah. I'm growing fast and blessed since I joined this community. 250k funded. I only trade USD, the analysis is like foundation for my trades. So... thankful and grateful, guys. This almighty God bless you. I really appreciate the kind words, brother. Anyone who steps out of line can get it. One-on-one in the gulag. 100% Jordan. Literally a quick one-on-one there, bro. Bless you guys. Really appreciate the kind words, though. Those are, guys, just for the community. And the man, the referee's back.
Are you guys still fighting?
No, we're not.
Chad, are you guys
I
still?
swear we're not.
Yo, Keeks is... But here's my jam, Chad. Sheesh. That Asian pan flute. Chad, Friday, baby. Only vibes here, only love. Peace. Chris, how many liters is that? That's a 5 liter, Ben John. That is a 5 liter, my brother.
I swear every time you tell people that, it's like they don't believe you.
I think it's like a 1 liter.
They're like, don't lie to us, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the coupe. Alright, what's DXY doing, baby? Ooh. Chad, it's very tough at this stage. Euro USD making a high on the session. GBP USD on the low of the session. DXY at Asia lows. Still have that open gap. It's very, very tricky here for me. I'm not gonna lie. This year, Tricky, Chad. What do we do here? 50 seconds. Hourly is also going to close. Let's check the hourly. Oh. No. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see what we get here. 30 seconds. Can we get a closure below? Let me just check Nightbot so long. Okay, so head to community settings. Automated, enter into the moderators list and don't forget to press save. Okay, go live. Nightbot will join the streams that are live. Okay, Chad, no closure below. Let me get Nightbot. 2G's Casino loading. I don't know why I enjoy them so much, but I do. And if you're right.
I'm solid.
Okay, let's see. What do I do here? Chad, give me 1 second. We just want to get Nightbot working. That's going to make things a lot easier for us. Channel, what am I doing here? Enter, head to community settings. Okay. Okay, Nightbot is a managing moderator. Alright, enter into the moderator. Don't forget to press save. Go live. Permissions. Get to community moderators. Okay, let's see. Okay, wait. Yo, why is it so tough to... Okay. Go live. Nightbot will only join streams that are live and not unlisted nor private. Alright, let's... Hey! One eligible user. Okay, Kiggs, I think it's working, my brother.
I think so.
Yeah, Chad, just type something in the chat there. It's busy updating here on my side. So we've got Nightbot. We upping the game here, Chad. Oh shit! Okay, no, I cancel that chat. Sorry, I just want to check that Nightbot is working. It's just basically getting all of the eligible users updated. So, yo, Keegs, that's gonna help us a lot.
So I have no clue what you did, so that's on to you, brother.
All right, Chad. Casino Royale starting very shortly. No closure below you. Again, DXY basically rejecting Asia lows currently. So what is Euro doing? Alright, Asia highs up here. Weekly pivot. Daily is bullish for me. Interesting that I am bullish on the day. Are we gonna go for a little buy here? Not the ideal place to be looking for buys. 10.25. This was actually a setup here, Chad. I think I was so focused on GU shorts. Setup right in front of us, but Asia lows were still intact. Yo, Chad, here's a ballsy play if you had some kahunas on you. You don't have a lot of range to the Asia highs. 2.3 pips. That is literally your advantage point. So no, I'm gonna stay out of this one. Let's see if we get another rejection here. Closure below. We've got our alert set. Stop spamming emotes. Hey, Nightbot already doing some work here. Holy smokes. Nightbot already policing a bit here. Keegs are, I think we just to test Nightbot out, Chad, we're gonna do a 5k giveaway. Okay, Chad. I wanna. What is this? Use this. Okay. The range is going to be between 500 to 600. And let's see, we are live, if I'm not mistaken. Chatbot has gone live here. Let's see what the bot does. I don't know what the number is though.
So we don't even know what the number is.
No. Chatbot will just select it. Anna D has won the giveaway. Oh my goodness, Anna D. Where's Anna D? You naughty Anna D. Is this the 3-finger Anna D?
Yeah.
Is that, just let me know, is that the 3-finger Anna D? Now you have to send us 4 fingers. Is that the 3-finger Anna D? Let me know. That sounds terrible, but she... Anyways, seems like it. Alright, Anna, you're a second time winner here. Just confirm, is that the Anna D I'm thinking about? Or is there 2 Anna Ds here?
Nah, I think it is the same one.
I think it's the same one.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Chad. Yeah, it sounds wrong. Sorry. Okay. Keeks, let me get the coin flip here. Are you ready, my brother?
I'm ready, brother. But
Whoa.
did she get it straight away? Or was it just a 5k tester?
Yeah, it's just the 5k. So I know, Anna, let me just write this down. Anna D 5k. Alrighty, Chad. Anna D with a young 5k. Chad, you're gonna have to give me 1 second here. I'm just gonna need to set up the... I'm just gonna need to do some ins.
The thing is, we don't even have to do the slow-mo now.
No.
You guys can just go crazy.
This is beautiful. Oi. Has this been on here the entire time?
What?
The screen, yeah.
No, everything's been normal.
Coin flip. Capture window.
Okay. I'm just gonna go pee quick.
Okay. Alrighty, chat. I know you guys are. Chat is hungry here today for the Casino Royale. Let's just clean that up a little bit. Just gonna wait for Keeks. We're gonna change the music a bit and let me actually get that sound on for us. We anyway doing 25k accounts. We must just do the videos and stuff, so we'll do that most probably next week. Alrighty, chat. Just waiting for Keeks, and then we're gonna get going here. I don't think Anna D said she wants to pay it forward, if I'm honest. I will pay it forward. Anna D. No, Anna, you don't have to. No. The ladies hardly ever win, so no, take it. We anyways gonna start now. That one was fair and square. Just the winner. But Anna, beautiful for wanting to pay it forward. But it's yours. You can pay it forward in another way. Maybe help somebody out, maybe buy somebody lunch or whatever. So yeah, no stress. That one there wasn't any coin flip involved there, so that's your account to enjoy. Good luck with it. I'll get it to you. I know Henska, she must still send me some stuff. Henska, we're gonna get your account. And then Justina, I think I did send Justina. Give me 1 second, chat. I just want to make sure. This is actually like a little bit of an administrative. Hensku. Okay, yeah, I've got it. Hensku. Your account you will receive straight after the stream. Justina, thanks again. All right, Chris, just confirm I've registered. Justina, okay, let me just make a note. Sorry, Chad. Justina and Hensku, and then obviously Anna Dina. Okay, got that. Chad, are you guys ready? No, Anna. Anna, okay, please send me another message, but this time with the photo holding up 4 fingers, just to confirm that it's you. Geeks are happy with the 4 finger, Anna?
4 finger works.
Yeah, 4 finger, Anna. Just for vibes. It's just for the vibes. Alright, Chad. Geeks, give me a range to put into the bot.
Let's go 300 to 400.
Chad, but first let's get those spirits up. Let's get those vibes going. It's Friday, baby. Okay, 300 to 400. We've got a bot in the house ready to do it. Okay. Wait. Sorry. 300. Yeah, sorry, I messed up. 300 to 400. Alrighty. Nightbot is live, Chad. Oh, 300 to 400, baby.
It chose a good number.
Amina Samai. Amina Samai got it, if I'm not mistaken.
What? I haven't even seen this thing pop up telling me that. Where did you see that?
Or am I talking through my nose? Let's just go back. No. So it's still going.
Yeah, that's what I say. I don't see anything pop up.
Sorry, Chad. Bro, it shows Amina Samaya on the Nightbot thing. Let's just go back in the chat.
I was gonna say, I don't see anything pop up on my side.
Wait.
Yeah, I was trying to be that person, but yeah, I'm not seeing anything yet.
Chad, have you seen anything? Keeks, check here on my screen, bro. So yeah, Amina Samai, it says roll it. So that's literally to restart the giveaway. Check here. So previously when Anna D won, her name came up here. So Amina Samai, Chad, Keegan Sauna, Amina Samai, yeah, Amina Samai got it, Chad.
Yeah, that's just it. Maybe this thing is going so fast now because everything's in slow-mo.
Yeah.
We literally can't even go back and go look. But
okay.
It does say it.
Yeah, it does say Amina, Chad. So the giveaway has stopped there. Amina, heads or tails? It doesn't give us a number, Chad. This is basically, let me just show you guys so you don't think. So yeah, I can literally say a roller to restart the giveaway. But here's the winner, Amina Samai. So you guys don't think I'm crooking you guys, yeah. Amina, heads or tails? Let's just wait here for Amina. Heads or tails, baby? Heads. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm ready. Are you ready, Kicks?
I'm ready. Let's get it.
3, 2, 1. Wait.
We starting off
Tails.
strong, yeah.
Okay. Chad.
We starting off strong, baby.
Chad. Range. Okay, we're doubling it. Sorry, Amina. You anyways got an account yesterday, so Chad, range is between 700 to 800, and we are live, baby. Let's go. 700 to 800. 700 to 800. Cosmic Roo. Oh, sheesh.
Hey there. Cosmic Roo.
Did it say? Did it say Cosmic Roo?
has won the giveaway.
Okay. Wait. Things are eating up here. Things are eating up here, Chad. Cosmic Roo, talk to me. Heads or tails? Heads or tails?
These guys still going.
Tails. Okay. Cosmic Roo with a young tail. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Ah!
Oh.
Beautiful. Chad. Sorry. That was Cosmic Roo. The coin has spoken. It's a double up. Okay. Give me a range, Keegs. Give me a range.
I love when this thing tells people to stop spamming. I love it.
Give me a range.
Let's go 800 to 900.
Okay, Chad, we've got an 800 to 900 range. And we are live, baby. Let's go. Keegs actually gives you a number. Check there. Right there. Winning number. Okay. Chad. 800 to 900, baby. 10K account. Sorry, are we on a 10K now, eh?
25.
25.
Wait,
oh, Joe Flanagan. You beauty. Joe Flanagan. Heads or tails, my brother? Joe.
Jason.
Is it Jason Flanagan?
Jason.
Oh, sorry, my brother. I do apologize for Where did Jason say heads or tails?
I don't think so, not yet.
All right.
Jason, what's up, brother?
Okay, Chad, there's already a winner. Yeah.
They still carry.
Okay, heads. Jason heads.
Did Jason say it?
Yeah, Jason said heads. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No man. Okay, wait. Chad, it's not done.
It's not done.
Jason, 25k account. I'm anyways gonna give you a 5k account, just because I'm that guy. But if you pay it forward, we can double this thing. So think about it. I'm anyways gonna give you a 5k, but you've got the chance here to double it up. And I don't know, Jason. I don't want to be that guy, but think about it. You've got 5k secured. We're giving it to you anyway. But you can let this show go on.
I'll run with it.
I don't know what that means. I don't know what I run with it means. Are we running for the double up? Are you running with the 5k? Chat to me. Jason, don't do this.
Zane, don't say take it just because you took it.
I'll take it. Okay. Jason, do you know the process? Jason, do you know the process? Just let me know, brother. No, Chris. Okay. Go and register a profile with Vault Funder. Link is in the description of this video. Send me a screenshot of your YouTube profile on Instagram. My Instagram handle is also in the description. And the email you use to register. And we're going to get that account to you. Chad, I'm not going to end it that way. 25k for Jason Flanagan. We have to do one more. We have to. Keegs, are you fine with another one?
Yeah, I'm chill with it. we know what the outcome is if they win. So
okay.
Guys, that's the thing. We need to literally. That's why we get excited if you lose, because we know if you win, you guys are all scallums. You just take it and run. So
yeah. Is Nightbot timing?
Nightbot's timing Oaks out.
Yo, that AI Nightbot needs a. Okay, Chad, hit that like button. We're gonna go with another giveaway. Keeks, give me a range.
400 to 500.
400 to 500. All right. Chad, we are live, baby. Let's go. Ooh, what is happening here? I'm just here for the coin flip, if I'm very honest. I'm just here for the coin flip. Let me know if anybody. I just want to get another mute here.
No, there, Paco.
The
Paco just got timed out and then he wins the giveaway.
Really? Let me see. Paco, my sharpie. All right, Paco, my brother.
Oh, what a ledge.
Heads or tails, Paco? Talk to me.
Oh, what a ledge. You time out and then he comes back and wins.
Paco, heads or tails? Let's just see it, Chad. Tails. Okay.
Oh.
Chad, I'm going to give Keegan the honors. Keys, come over here. Oh, wait. I'm going to hold the keyboard. Press spacebar.
There
we go. Chad, what did Paco? Wait. What did Paco say? I think he said tails. Wait. Let me just make sure. Tails. His own. No, man. Did he say tails?
He did say tails.
Did he?
He did say tails.
Okay, Paco, I know you, dude. I know you. Double it.
Double it. We now have another guy in the 2% of this channel.
Paco, no, my brother. You are a ledge. But anyways, Paco, I'm going to give you that 5K, but we're going to double it anyways. So just for being a ledge, Paco, absolute legend.
Nightbot just timed out Boss Bobby. Bro, I love the comments it makes. Boss Bobby, you're starting to bug me. And timed him out.
Yo, but what is this guy doing, this bot? Okay, Paco, I'm anyways going to give you one. You've been in the chat for how long? You've been a supporter of the channel. We're going to double it, but also get in contact with me. You know the process by now. We're going to give Paco also that 5K. Let me just put in your Paco 5K for you, my brother. Just for paying it forward. Sometimes it pays to not eat the seed up. Okay, 10K, Chad. Give me a range, Kiggs. Give me a range.
700 to 800.
Okay, 700 to 800. Chad, we are live, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 700 to 800. Okay. Grant Oosthuizen, baby. Oh, Grant Oosthuizen, winner here. Grant Oosthuizen, heads or tails, Chad. You can stop. Grant Oosthuizen won that thing like it's nobody's business. Grant Oosthuizen, heads or tails, Chad. Heads, okay. Heads, Chad. Can we live here?
On the 10K account.
3, 2, 1.
Hey!
We got it, baby.
Up to 25.
All right. 25, Chad. We live. So we're up to 25K. Keeks, you just remember what K we at.
Well, 25K on the line, guys. Boss Bobby, it looks like you're not timed out, my man.
Chad, we're gonna mix it up. The range is 1,100 to 1,200, and we live, baby. Let's go. Oh, let's go, baby. Yo, that coin flip can be.
Oh, this is an interesting range now.
This is becoming very, very interesting now. Why did we take so long to get Nightbot, my bro? Gabriel Bam, the brother that almost looks like a young, what is it? What's the guy's name? Fastest man in the world.
Usain Bolt.
Gabriel Bam, just a young Usain Bolt. A little bit of a stronger jawline, but Gabriel Bam, my brother, you are the winner here. Gabriel Bam, give me a heads or a tails there, brother. Are we on 25K? Eh?
25K.
Gabriel Bam, the young Usain Bolt. The younger Usain Bolt. I think the twin brother, stronger jawline. His hairline also looks a lot more intact from what I can see. Yeah, those handlebars are clean. This man's got a very clean jaw structure and he's got very good teeth as well. What did Gabriel say?
He said heads.
Did he say heads? I just wanna make sure. Are you sure, Keeks?
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Heads.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gabriel Bam, my brother. Let's see. He called heads.
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yay! We in, baby.
Up to 50K.
Gabriel Bam.
50K on the line.
50K it is, Chad. And a new range here. New range. 2,000 to 2,100. And we are live, baby. Here we go. It's 50K now, Keeks.
50K on the line.
Oh, baby. This is vibes. Let's see Keegs, how phenomenal is this technology, this Nightbot technology, saving our eyes here. Nintendo. Ah, baby, Nintendo. Beautiful, beautiful. Nintendo. Give us that heads or tails, Nintendo. Nintendo is the winner, Chad. Give it to me, Nintendo. Heads or tails? Heads. Okay. It's a young head school there from Nintendo. Chad, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Yeah! Ah! Okay, Nintendo, wait. Don't, Nintendo, listen here. Listen, Nintendo. She is a female. Okay, Nintendo. I'm going to give you a 5K anyway. Yeah, here's the thing. You can double it. You're getting a 5K anyways. But you can double it. And we can let this show go on. 5K is secured. 5K is yours.
We had our one brother starting it, leading it by example.
Yeah, we had one guy already, Paco doubled it. No questions asked.
Let's double it. Hey!
Okay,
The
Nintendo.
Chad stepping up today.
Nintendo, just you know the process to get that 5K to you. Nintendo, what a ledge. Beautiful. Yes, man. Nintendo, you know the process. Just let me know. I hope you know the process. I must actually make a little note. Maybe a little Nightbot. Does she know the process? I just want to get a nice mute here for us. What is this rushing back? Let's check here.
The big one of the day again, guys.
Are we on the 100 already?
We are on the 100.
Wait, why didn't Nintendo say that she know the process? Nintendo, just let me know. Please let me know. Yes, I do know the process. Beautiful. Chad, we are on the 100, baby. Keegs, how are you feeling, my brother? Keegs, you feeling good?
I'm feeling good. Let's get it. I'm here for another 100K. Zane,
Ooh,
don't you start, bro. Don't you start. You ran away. Karma's coming for you.
Chad, let me know. You guys ready? I haven't seen you guys drop a like. Let's drop a like, Chad. Alright, baby. Keegs, what's the range here?
1,600 to 1,700.
Alright. Chad, we are live, baby. $100,000 account on the line, baby. What are we doing here? Oh. Oh, baby. Still waiting for that winner. Friday, beautiful day in the bay. Skies are clear. Slight chance of take profits and 100K giveaway counts. Hey, baby. Ooh, guys are struggling with this one. Friend, my brother. We've got friend, triple N. 0 Zen. Friend won that one, guys. So friend, heads or tails, my brother. Friend, triple N, baby.
Yes. Okay, friend. You said heads or tails?
Ooh, Chad. Heads. Okay.
All right.
Okay, guys. Calm down, Chad.
This is a moment.
Heads. Ooh, baby.
Everyone seems to win it, yeah. Or will they finally it go up?
What did it call?
Heads.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Hey! And it's the first time, ladies and gents. First time.
Chad. Chad. Keegs, what do we do now? Keegs, what do we do? We anyways giving 20 accounts away next week. Give me something. I'm gonna let you simmer on this. Keegs, talk to me. Okay,
Yeah.
well, I don't want to rush, Keegs. Let's chat. What do we do here?
Yo,
What do we do? I don't know what to do here. I was hoping somebody took the 100.
do we do 250s? Or do we do or do we just rerun the 100 till someone gets it?
Let's do 250s then.
250s.
Yeah, but you still have to get the coin. The
Yeah.
coin is the vibe. Yeah, okay. Chad.
250s.
Okay, now we're working it back. Okay, Chad, so what we do now is 250s. If nobody gets a 50, let's say that first 50 roll, then we split it into 4 25s. Where am I going with Okay, no, so let's put it this way. If nobody gets the first 50 on the first roll, we split it into 4 25s. And then if the first guy on the 4 25s don't get it, we do 10 5K straight after one another. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, Keeks, you happy with that? So the first of every decrease needs to hit, otherwise we split into more giveaways. Okay, so it's a 50, Chad. I'm gonna give a range here. 7,000 to 7,100, and we are live, baby. We are live. Thilo Davids. Thilo. Got a young Thilo Davids in the Chad. Beautiful Thilo. Heads or tails? Thilo won it, guys. Thilo won. Okay, Thilo. A young heads or tails, my brother. Let's see what Thilo says. Thilo Davids. Heads, baby. All right, we've got a heads here. Just the young heads. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Tails. Ah, Thilo.
Oh.
So now it's down to 4 25K accounts, Chad. Sorry, Thilo. Keeks, give me a range, baby. Give me a range.
We're gonna drop it down again. 0 to 100.
Ooh, interesting. Okay, 0 to 100. Chad, and we are live, baby. Let's go. Giveaway is live. Giveaway is live, baby. All right. I'm still watching the charts. Don't stress, Chad. Still watching the charts. Ensku again.
Yeah.
Ensku, you lucky fish. I don't know what you guys, I don't know where you're from, Ensku. Let me know where you're from. Please send me some of that water. Ensku winning yesterday and now. Ensku, the fate of 425K accounts is in Finland.
Yeah.
Send me some of that water. Ensku. Alrighty, Ensku, heads or tails? Let me know, heads or tails. What are we doing? Where's Ensku? Heads. Okay, baby. It's a young heads. Keeks, honor is yours, my brother. I'm going to hold the keyboard here for you.
Right.
3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Oh. So there we go. So the first 25.
Yo, I need to... Chad, Chad.
So that now kept us in the range. And now there's 3 more 25s on the line.
So Hensku getting an additional 25k account. So there's 3 more on the line, yeah.
What did Hensku win that yesterday?
The 5K, yeah.
5K and a 25K. Good way to end the week.
All right, chat. So we've got 3 more 25s to give away here. The range is 500 to 600, and we are live, baby. Let's go 500 to 600. Hensku, send me some of that water. Things are happening in Finland, Chad. Finland is where it's at currently. Steve Jacobs, the guy with an absolute beautiful swing there.
Oh.
Steve, if I can give you a tip, keep your head down, my brother. I can see the way your body's positioned there. You always pick your head up too early and you fluff the ball, but we still love you, Steve. You've been in the chat for a while. Steve, baby, give me a number there. Not a number. Heads or tails from a young Steve Jacobs. Steve Jacobs, heads or tails, my brother. Oh, Steve. Heads. All right, Chad. It's a young heads for Steve. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby.
Hey,
Steve,
the
you
second
beauty.
25K.
Steve, you absolute beauty. You know the process. If you don't know the process by now, I will time you out, my brother, because you have been here longer than most. Steve, thanks so much for all the support, my brother. Well deserved. 25k on its way to my boy Steve. Keep your head down on that swing, Steve. Beautiful. Okay, 2 more to go, Chad. Keeks, who's in the office here? Nobody. Give me a range, Keeks. Give me a range. Let's not play with the Chad here. Give me a range.
300 to 400.
300, I like it. 300 to 400, and we are live, baby. We are live. 300 to 400. 300 to 400, baby. Let's go. What do we have here? Let's see. Earl Hercules. Just a young Earl Hercules, yeah. Oh.
Earl also been around for a while in the chat.
Alright, Earl. Earl, give it to me, baby. Earl Hercules. Now's your time to shine, my brother. Can the real Earl Hercules please stand up? Earl.
Tails.
Tails. Did he say tails?
Yeah, tails.
Okay, a young tails here for my boy Earl. 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Hey,
Earl,
the
you
guys
ledge.
can't shoot wrong here. There we go.
A young 25k for my boy Earl.
So last 25k left, guys.
Last 25k left, Chatadonia. And the range is going to be 7,000 to 7,100. We are live, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Well done, Earl. Also, if you don't know about now the process, I'll put you on my prayer wall, but you should know.
Last one, guys. Let's
Last
see who gets
25k, baby. Jason Flanagan with a young 25k. Hensku with Void. Oh, baby.
it. Oh, Void also been around.
Void. Just a young Void with a dream. Void. Heads or tails, my brother? Where's Void?
Come on, Void.
Now's your time to shine, baby.
Let's go. Come on. What's it? Heads or tails?
Void, talk to us.
Heads.
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 It's just the young heads for my boy
Can the
Void.
winners get 4 in a row, right?
Kicks, this one is for you, my brother.
Can they get 4 in a row?
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah.
Let's see. Hey! Back-to-back 4 wins in a row. Well done, my brother.
Chad, this was absolutely incredible. You cannot script this. Void, beautiful. Beautiful, Chad. So we've got Paco with a young 5K. We've got Jason Flanagan with the 25. Hensku with the 25. We've got a Steve Jacobs with the 25. Oh, Hercules. Void.
And Intando with a 5.
Intando.
Remember, Paco and Intando were the ones that said double it when they won it.
Yo, luckily, Keeks. Wait, where did I?
Yeah, Paco said, he was the first one, said double it.
Intando already won an account, so she won another one.
Yeah,
Intando, you beauty.
And Tando's did the double up.
Oh yeah, sorry.
For the 5. I think she did the double up at 50k.
Yeah, Intando, sorry, almost forgot you. Beautiful. Okay, Chad, things are... I must actually just get a piece of paper here. Chad, beautiful. That is what I like. Alrighty. That is the giveaway. How do I switch this bot off? What is this thing doing here? Excess caps, disable. Let's just get this. Okay, the bot should be a little bit more chilled now, Chad. Alrighty. Chad, how do you guys feel? Let's get those likes to 200. We're still gonna get this GU short if you didn't realize. DXY back up into the Asia range after taking the session lows. So let's see. 80 constantly diverging here, bullish. So let's keep an eye out for that. And gold, beautiful rejection there. I don't know if you guys took it. There was your entry. I think Keegan was way too hype here, but technically that should be your entry there, targeting Asia lows. That should have been your entry there. Let's check GU. Just waiting for this to get back below the daily pivot. And Euro starting to fumble the bag here at the weekly pivot. Let's see if we can get a test and a rejection, then I might even take this, Chad. Just need that 80 to flip bearish, need a rejection off the weekly pivot. UJ still struggling here. GJ beautifully holding this 189 level. However, 80 is telling me something different. Can't go against my plan here, Chad. So, and then we've got Euro JPY holding that key level here. And I'm gonna, again, it's very tough here. We literally at the weekly high, session high, daily high. So no, on a Friday, do we really want to take on that unnecessary risk? No. I think we can rather wait here for a beautiful setup on GU. Just want to see EJ here, EG. Okay, Euro starting to soften a bit here against the pound. Kiggs, I think you guys missed that gold.
I'm still just not happy with it, with what DXY is doing, so...
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, chat up. I've put the bot, I just chilled the bot down. That thing was very aggressive. You know, we don't like things being too aggressive around here. But yeah, chat. GBP USD. Euro. Bucko, this bot needs to know order. Yo, that bot is very intense, Chad. I think that's setting like from 0 to 10. 0 being like vibes and 10 being aggressive. That thing was on 10. 100%. Zero. That thing has got 0 chill. If you mess around here, that bot will... Yeah, Chad, again, to all the winners, beautiful. Really take your time with those accounts. I really do hope you guys enjoy it. For a lot of you, maybe, what is the cost of a 25k? Let's actually quickly look at the rand value, irrespective of the potential dollar value you could be trading with. Let's quickly look at the rand value here on vaultfunder.trade for a young 25k account. You're looking at $225. So the rand value given away is almost 5k, Chad. So $225. So yeah, beautiful. And then the brother that won the 100k yesterday, 550. Alrighty, Chad. Yeah, like and subscribe. Yeah, Chad, if you have not done so, I don't know, do you guys want Keegan like in a wife beater? Yeah, I don't know. The guy's got Bogart on every day. That's like his standard now. It's not even a...
You know, Authenticate, you know it's bad. Like, they all have your personal number and they literally message me in the minute. They're like, bro, we just got this in, we got this in, do you want this? It becomes a problem.
Oh, the guys from Bogart.
Yeah.
Steve Jacobs, when you come to P, my brother, bring those clubs. Let's go and go play around. Keegs must dress in a Borat outfit. Donny, hey Donny, naughty Donny. Last stream raid with the bull. I think we need to do it. Who are we raiding, guys? I'm still waiting for this GU short. Don't think I'm not locked in. I'm still looking for this GU short and potentially this EU short. So we've got our alerts set here. That session low break. Six o'clock tomorrow morning. Let's do one last stream raid with the bull. Chad, wait. Let's get a vote first. I don't want to just go on one. Let's get a vote here. Let's get a vote going here. Stream raid. Keeks, you guys should actually raid one of Raja's streams once.
Yo.
Okay, let's see Chad. Markets are relatively flat, if I'm very honest. Could be waiting for PPI. Could get some late afternoon volume here. Don't get yourself hurt here in the range. But GU, I still like GU for the shorts. Keeks, where's your key level on GU? I know you also said you wanting to short this bad boy.
I wanted to look at around but the EQ.
Where's the EQ? A little bit lower.
So EQ's at 25.723.
25.772.
Yeah.
Oh, is it lower? Is the EQ
underneath
lower?
Asia. Yeah.
Hensku, Finland. Hensku, the best thing coming out of Finland. Alright, Chad. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what the poll says. You guys are absolute animals. Animals. These guys want to raid. Alright. Let's see who's live here.
I think London's always just that other same guy.
Yeah. Let's check here who's live. We've got MSB FX, no face there. We've got live Forex trading US CPI, two very good looking guys. The one obviously better jawline, other guy's got a better hairline, but we're not gonna. Okay, let's see who's this guy. A million moves, no face there. Let's see Forex Leah. Alright, nobody's showing their face. That King Abe's never at his desk. I don't know what that guy must have a serious like stool problem. Wait, let me just see if he's bro, that guy's never at his desk. Get to your desk, my brother. Pedro FX. Hey Pedro, just a young Pedro with one viewer. Did he end his stream? Let's see if Pedro, oh yeah, yes, this man has been, oh, his video was never on. Forex Gold, nobody's got a face to the thing. Got that weird crypto scammer guy. Who else is there that we can raid? Yo, it's weird. There's not a lot of streamers in the London session, eh, Keeks?
No.
The other guy doesn't have the one we raided last time. He's just, yeah, I don't know, it's weird. He doesn't have that energy. What is this guy up to? No, Chad, this. Bid eerder vir as wat ons sal raid. Sit op jou gebedslys. Chat, is nobody we can raid here. Let's see if Raja's gonna stream. I would love to, bro. I would even extend the streams just to raid that.
We can't extend today.
No, but bro, Raja can do his whiteboard sessions on his forehead. That guy's got one of the biggest foreheads I've seen in my life, Chad. Look at that. This is not even the aspect ratio. That's legitimately a forehead you guys are seeing there. And that's after going to Turkey, eh? That's the airline he's working with after a visit. He should ask for a refund.
Oh, that's rough.
That guy should ask for a refund. Chadadonia, what a day. Market's not really doing anything. Most of the volume coming through Monday, Tuesday. And so Chadadonia, what time is the 1:30, eh? Yeah, there's some time. Chad, it's been a journey, and Keegs, are we still gonna extend the stream a little bit here?
Well, I'm gonna go have lunch because we need to then start setting up for the podcast and everything. So if you want to carry on for a little bit, you can. I'm not taking anything. So
I'm just checking time now. 10 o'clock in London. Yo. That PPI, that's the thing for me. PPI.
I don't think market's going to do much now. If they've basically ranged this whole session, they're just going to do the same thing until PPI.
Yeah, Chad. All right, Chad. I've got my alerts set here. I'm gonna set some alerts here on the daily pivot. 25814. Yo, what dyslexic music is this, bro? Have you guys ever heard of dyslexic music, where the music? Sheesh. Let's see. That's way too dyslexic for me. Alright, chat. So, looking for the shorts potentially, you can see all the way while we're going up here. You can see that the accumulation distribution is diverging. So, keep an eye out for that. Maybe we only get this move after PPI. What time is PPI? PPI 3:30. Gold, as mentioned, there was your setup. This for me is a perfect. That is a retest, a minor structure break back in the Asia range, and you can ride this thing all the way down to Asia lows. And if it starts breaking to the upside, you don't want no part of that. So GU still watching this level. EU is very interesting for me because the AD is relatively it's up, it's down, it's up, it's in the middle. It doesn't really know what it wants to do. UJ, this thing is just grinding, fighting for its life here. GJ, AD is bearish, trading at the highs. EJ also very, very interesting. I'm bullish, but again, how do we buy a weekly high without any fundamentals to push price? 80 is still firmly bullish. So, Chad, it's tough here today. US 30, what is US 30 doing? Ranging. Nasdaq almost there at that key level. So, yeah, Chad, that is a session for me, guys. I will see you one more time for the podcast this afternoon. 1:30, Keeks? Yeah, 1:30. Chatadonia, thank you so much. We're gonna see you guys for the pod at 1:30. And again, Keeks, thank you so much.
Always good being here,
Thank you so much for everything, my brother. And then we will see you guys a little bit later.
Yeah, make sure you tune in for that one, guys. You're not going to want to miss it.
Yeah, peace and love, Chad. We will see you guys in a bit. Thank you so much.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find that